Now I would like to explain about square-headed bolt with square neck. So this square-headed bolt with square neck also similar to the square-headed bolt except square neck. That means whereas in square-headed bolt with square neck diagram, so additional square neck is added. Apart from that, everything is similar to the square-headed bolt only. Okay. So whereas in this diagram, it is provided with a square neck which fits into a corresponding square hole in the adjacent part, preventing the rotation of the bolt. That is only a main application of the square neck. Apart from that, each and every details is same as the square-headed bolt with square-headed bolt only. Okay. So if you see the diagram, so whereas in this diagram, so W value, okay, that is 1.5D plus 3 mm. That means square value is same as the square-headed bolt. Okay. So here this head thickness, that is 0.8D. So if you see the square neck, okay, square neck dimensions is same as the diameter. Okay, square neck dimensions is same as the dimensions, but width is 0.8D. Okay, so head width also 0.8D and neck width also 0.8D. Okay, so whereas in this square-headed bolt with square neck, so the radius of chamfer, that is R is equals to 2D. Okay, so these are the standard formulas in the square-headed bolt with square neck. So we will see the procedure how to draw the square-headed bolt with square neck diagram. Next diagram, square-headed bolt with square neck. The title itself explains that there is a square neck for the square-headed bolt. There is a square neck for the square-headed bolt. Okay, the function already we discussed in the, okay. Here this is the 3D diagram of a square-headed bolt with square neck. So this is the diameter D. Okay, that is a bolt diameter. Now this is the square neck. Okay, this is the square actually. This is the square. This is the square. Dimensions of the square is equals to the diameter of the bolt. Okay, that is equals to D only. So I am assuming D is 20 mm. I am assuming D is 20 mm. That means the diameter of this bolt is 20 mm. So automatically this value would be so 20, 20, 20 only. That is the neck. Okay, neck dimensions also D only. Here neck width is there. This neck width is 0.8D. This neck width is 0.8D. So here this is the head. For head width also 0.8D only. Okay, that means neck width also 0.8D and this head width also 0.8D. Okay, so if you see the head height is 1.5D plus 3 mm. That is nothing but a W. Okay, this is called W. That is 1.5D plus 3 mm. So here this is the W only. Why? Because it is equals to the D. This is the diameter of the bolt. Okay, these are the standard values we have to remember. So if you see the diagram in the diagram, so this is the front view, this is the side view. So if you see from the front view, so this part is visible. This part is visible. Okay, so this part is visible from the front view. Okay, so like this only 1, 2, 3. This is the square part. That's why we are going to represent like this. Okay, but the square dimension is not from this direction. This is only square. Okay, but this is only 0.8D. Okay, so this is the 0.8D. So this one also 0.8D. So this is a shaft diameter, otherwise bolt diameter capital D. So depending upon the initial value, that means 20 mm only. So here R value. R is nothing but radius of the chamfer, that would be 2D standard value. So this is the front view. So this is the side view. So if you want to draw the side view, so from this direction, so initially this circle is visible, na? That is this circle. Okay. After that, the square part also visible, no? That is the square part. After that, this head also visible, no? So that is the head of the bolt. Okay. So this is the square-headed bolt with square neck. Now I would like to show the procedure how to draw the square-headed bolt with square neck. So first of all, draw the axis line like this. Draw the axis line. So here, from the front view, so if you want to draw this head, so what is the height? 1.5 into d plus 3 mm. Okay, 1.5 d plus 3 mm. That is 1.5 into d how much? 20 plus 3 mm. Okay, that is nothing but 33 mm. So 33 mm height. What is the width? 0.8 d. 0.8 into 20. That is 16 mm. Okay. So height is 33 mm. Na? So half of. So here to here 33 mm. So width how much? 16 mm. 16 mm. This is the head, and then so if you want to draw the neck, this neck width is 0.8 d only. That is nothing but 16 mm only. But this height is equals to diameter of the bolt. So what is the diameter of the bolt? 20 mm. 20 mm means above 10 mm, below 10 mm. So here 16 mm only. That is 0.8 d. Okay, so from the side view, so this is the square one. So we have to represent like this. After that, diameter d. Okay, but if you want to represent the diameter, okay, length of the shaft. Okay, no need to take the length. Okay, you can take anything. That means like this way you can take any length, and then finally you have to draw like this. Okay, generally this representation used for the shafts. Okay, so here in the bolt also I am assuming shaft only, that's why I took like this. Okay, so this is 0.8 d. This is also 0.8 d. Okay. Next, what is left in the diagram? Radius of chamfer R. Okay. So we have formula that is 2d. That means 2 into 20. Okay. That is 40 mm. So if you want to draw radius of chamfer R, that is 40 mm. With 40 mm, take a compass from here to mark 40 mm. Okay. Now this point as a center, 40 mm distance as a radius. Draw the chamfer arc. Okay. This is R. That is nothing but 2d. Okay. Next. What is the height of the head here? That is W only. That is nothing but 1.5 d plus 3 mm. So this is the front view of a hexagon. Square-headed bolt with square nut. So if you want to draw the side view, okay, if you see from this direction, side view. So initially this part is visible, that circle part is visible. Next, this square neck is visible. After that, this square head also visible. Na? Just project the head like this. Okay, that means this side as it is we will get. Okay, but this is a square head. That means all sides should be same. So whatever the value we get here, so same value here also we will get. Okay, and then in the middle draw one more axis line. So diameter of the bolt, what is the diameter? 20 mm, no? That means this point as a center, 10 mm as a radius, draw a circle. Okay, this you have to mention with hatching. Next, from this direction, this square neck also visible, na? Okay, that dimensions also equals to the D only. Okay, that's why just draw like this. That is equals to the dimensions of the D. Okay, this is D, this is D, this is D. Why? Because it is a square neck. Okay, so this is the front view, this is the side view of a square headed bolt with square neck.